Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tindanious Maths and Science tutorials. I'm delighted to see you once again. We are still treating the derivatives of inverse trigonometry functions, and in our previous lecture videos we learned how to differentiate the sine inverse of given functions. In today's session, let's consider the cos inverse of given functions. Recall that when you have sine inverse of a function of, say, u, when you find the derivative of this function with respect to x, you have d over dx of this whole function. And we said, what does it yield? What does it yield? It yields the differential of u all over square root of the expression 1 minus u squared. Let's take the cos inverse. So for the cos inverse, when you have a function of, say, u, so the cos inverse of u, this, when you want to find the derivative of u with respect to x, we have d over what? Over dx of this whole function, and that yields negative u prime, then all over square root of the expression 1 minus u squared. As simple as that. So, given this example, cos inverse of, let's say you have 6x squared. Let me do it this way. 6x plus, let's say 10. All right. Let's find the derivative of cos inverse of the expression 6x plus 10. So to work out for this, we say let this whole expression be equal to u. So let u equals 6x plus 10. Now, when you find the derivative of u with respect to x, you have as u differential, okay, u prime, which is equal to, when you differentiate 6x, you have what? You have 6. When you differentiate a constant, it gives what? 0. So u prime is equal to 6. Now, if u is equal to 6x plus 10, let's find for u squared. So u squared will be what? U squared is equal to whatever you do to the left hand side, you do same to the right hand side. So you also square the expression. So you have 6x plus 10 all squared. As simple as that. Let's substitute these into the formula. So therefore, we have this. We have d over dx of cos inverse of the function given, which is 6x plus 10, is equal to, remember, we said we have negative u prime over 1 minus u squared, right? So I have negative of, what is u prime? Viewers, come here. U prime, this is u prime, 6, that's 6, right? So I'll do this, alright? 6 over here, then all over square root of 1 minus, viewers, what is u squared? You can't be a u squared. This is for u squared is equal to the expression 6x plus 10 all squared. So I have it to be this 6x plus 10 all squared. Viewers, you can leave your answer in this form, or you can decide to expand this, then you multiply through by the negative. It's the same thing. So this is equal to negative times 6 is negative 6, then all over square root of that's 1 minus 6x plus 10 all squared. Viewers, this is the end of the lesson. I'll consider how to find the derivative of tan inverse of a given function. Bye.